Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Robinhood and want to move it to Revolut for better management or trading opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change fast. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Revolut. Log into your Robinhood app or website and head to your Dogecoin wallet. You'll need to verify that you have enough Doge to cover any withdrawal fees. Typically, these are minimal, but they add up. Step 1. Go to the Withdraw or Transfer section in Robinhood. Select Dogecoin as the asset you want to move. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to Revolut. Open your app, navigate to your crypto section, and copy your Revolut Dogecoin wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. Once you have the address, paste it into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, review the transaction details, and confirm. Robinhood might require two-factor authentication for security, always a good thing in the crypto world. After initiating the transfer, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Revolut app for the incoming transaction. Once it arrives, celebrate your successful transfer. A quick tip. In 2025, Revolut might have specific limits or requirements for crypto deposits, so check their help center first. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to seamlessly send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Revolut. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and keep building that portfolio. See you in the next video.